guys, it's Tahlia again. Welcome to my bed. We're with Leon and Elise and we're playing this game called... Hi guys, so my name is Elise. This is my first ever video on Tahlia's YouTube video. Yep. So right now I'm stuck. Ow, my Willis. And so wait, let me tell you something. So basically I'm on the laptop, well my laptop basically, and basically I'm just on YouTube and I'm just on YouTube and I watched her videos. So good luck. Bye guys. We're playing a game called the dog game. This one, and he hurt himself because I played this game before. I really want to do a YouTube video right now. Do you? Yeah. How do you? And we're gonna help this dog. We're gonna start the game. And it's hard. And it's hard. Wait, turn the TV off, Leon.
We make the most of every inch.
And so guys.
And beautiful ways.
And she wants to make a video. Do you want me to get you the video? Now we're going to snip.
I'm watching the guys. I'm watching the
what the? Snips. Now we're gonna rub this little puppy, little thing, and his little hurt, guys. Please stop there. Oh yeah, we've got trolls on apparently. Can stop it. Can stop it. Stop the falling. Dance, dance, dance. With the world, dance, dance, dance. I'm gonna go somewhere else. Do you mean to get you YouTube?
Do you want to get my YouTube video?
Yeah. Yeah, I really. Bye guys, and see you. Just fun.